Hi, I'm Ryan Engelhardt, President of the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition, also known as the MVMC, and today I am creating this video to go along with an email you're receiving to directly reach out to America's youth and our local youth, particularly those in middle school. We've put together a curriculum that's aligned with Ohio's education standards, and in this curriculum we have a lot of hands-on activities that kids anywhere from ages 3rd to 4th grade up through 8th, 9th grade can use and maybe get some students some exposure to some careers that exist here in the Mahoning Valley that they traditionally would not see through the normal curriculums put forth in our classrooms. One of the great things about manufacturing careers is that not every student is going to end up going to the military or being a college graduate, but that's okay. There's still a lot of high-paying jobs in the area that provide for many folks, and getting them some exposure to that at a young age so that they can find what they truly love is something that I hope you look further into the link that we've attached to this email, and ultimately gets them the opportunity to learn what they truly love and get to do it hands-on. Youth outreach is very important to me and all the folks at the MVMC, and we've really put a lot of effort into putting these videos together, and we hope that you share them with your class.